Good evening to all of you children. Yesterday I was explained about some concepts of the trigonometry. Today I will explain some questions. Those are related to those properties. One by one I will explain model wise. Number one, if sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5 and theta belongs to third quadrant, then tan theta, comma, cos theta, comma, secant theta. Find the values of tan theta, cos theta, secant theta. What is the given value? Sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5. Theta belongs to third quadrant. That is very important point here. Theta belongs to third quadrant. Third quadrant, sin value negative. So we have to find the values of tan theta, cos theta, secant theta. Three values. So symbol is very important in this problem. Okay? Sin. So first of all, solution. Listen. Sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5. Comma, theta belongs to third quadrant. So how to find the values? Just by using right angle triangle A, B, C. Here angle is equal to 90 degrees. So if you take theta is equal to HC, sin formula, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side 4, hypotenuse 5. Sin theta value. Don't consider minus symbol. Minus symbol denotes only quadrant. That is very important. Minus symbol denotes quadrant. Third quadrant, sin value negative. But here we don't know about the value of adjacent side. How to get the adjacent side? By Pythagoras theorem. Since what is the Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That implies what is AC? AC is equal to hypotenuse 5. 5 square is equal to AB 4 square plus BC square. That implies BC square is equal to 4 square left side, 5 square 25, 4 square 16. That is equal to 9. Therefore, BC value is equal to root 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. BC square is equal to 9. BC is equal to root 9 value 3. Therefore, adjacent side is equal to 3. Adjacent side is equal to 3. And also, theta belongs to third quadrant. That is very important. Okay. Now, what is the value of tan theta? Tan theta. Yesterday, already explained. Tan theta, third quadrant to positive. Because in third quadrant, tan and cot positive. Remaining are all negative. Tan theta positive, third quadrant. First symbol. Next value. Tan theta formula. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side AB by adjacent side is equal to BC. That is equal to opposite side 4. Adjacent side is equal to 3. 4 by 3. Tan theta. First symbol and then substitution. That is very important. Next value. Cos theta. Cos theta. Theta belongs to third quadrant. Third quadrant, cos value is equal to negative. Third quadrant cos negative. Cos formula. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is equal to BC. Hypotenuse is equal to AC. Minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Next. Secant theta. Secant theta. Secant theta, third quadrant, negative. Secant theta formula, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse AC by adjacent side BC. That is equal to minus AC value 5, adjacent side 3. This is the method for how to find the values of tan, cot, secant, depending on the quadrant. That is very, very important point. Okay, this is the method. Okay, next question. Problem number 2. I will explain one problem and the one model. Okay. Problem number 2. If tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3 or 5 by 12. Tan theta is equal to minus 5 by 12 and theta does not belongs to second quadrant. Then sin theta plus 3 cos theta by secant theta minus 2 cosecant theta is equal to. So first of all, tan theta is equal to minus 5 by 12. Tan theta negative. Tan theta negative, when it is possible? In second and fourth quadrant. But theta does not belongs to second quadrant. That is very, very important point. Theta does not belongs to second quadrant. Automatically theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Okay, first identify the quadrant. Then only we have to calculate all the values. Okay, solution. Tan theta is equal to minus 5 by 12. Minus 5 by 12. Tan negative. Tan, when it is negative, theta belongs to second quadrant, comma, fourth quadrant. Actually, tan theta negative in second and fourth quadrant. But theta does not belongs to second quadrant. Theta does not belongs to second quadrant means automatically theta belongs to fourth quadrant. That is the point. Theta belongs to fourth quadrant. So condition is theta does not belongs to second quadrant. Does not belongs to means automatically theta belongs to fourth quadrant. This is the first point. And then how to find remaining values? By using right angle triangle. This is 90. A, B, C. Here angle is equal to theta. Tan formula, symbol denotes quadrant. That is very, very important. Need not write the symbol in the diagram. Tan opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. How to get the hypotenuse? By using Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is equal to 5 square. BC is equal to 12 square. 5 square 25. 12 square 144. That is equal to 169. This is the value of AC square. Therefore, AC is equal to root of 169 is equal to 13. This is the value of AC. Okay, na? AC value 13. Right. Now, what is our required value? Sin, cos, secant, cosecant. First find the sin theta value. Sin theta formula. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, but fourth quadrant sign negative. First symbol. Okay, sign formula. Opposite side by hypotenuse. 5 by 13. Next, cos theta. Theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos positive. Cos formula. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. That means 12 by 13. Next, secant theta. Secant theta fourth quadrant plus. Okay, secant theta formula. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. 13 by 12. Cosecant theta. Fourth fourth quadrant cosecant minus. In fourth quadrant, cos, secant positive. Remaining all the functions are negative. Cosecant theta, fourth quadrant minus. Cosecant formula, hypotenuse by opposite side. 13 by 5. 13 by 5. Okay, na? Sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Secant theta, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Cosecant theta, hypotenuse by opposite side. Okay. Next, fourth quadrant, sin negative, cosecant negative. Remaining two, positive. Cosecant, sin negative, cosecant negative. Cos positive, secant positive. Therefore, what is our required value? Finally, sin theta plus 3 cos theta by secant theta minus 2 cosecant theta. This is our required value. Sin theta is equal to minus 5 by 13 plus 3 into cos theta is equal to 12 by 13. Cos theta 12 by 13 whole thing divided by secant theta 13 by 12. Next, minus 2 into cosecant theta minus 13 by 12. Minus 13 by 12. Okay, na? Just a substitution. Sin theta minus 5 by 13. 3 into cos theta 12 by 13. Next, secant. Secant is equal to 13 by 12. Minus 2 into cosecant theta minus 13 by 5. 13 by 5. Right, 13 by 5. Cosecant theta. That is equal to, what is the LCM denominator? 13 is the LCM. Minus 5 plus 12 3 is 36. Okay, na? 12 3 is 36. Next, LCM is denominator. 12 into 5. 12 into 5. Okay, 5 into 13. 65. Minus plus. Okay, 13 into 2. 26 into 12. 26 into 12. Because LCM is 12 into 5 LCM. Okay, 5 into 13. 65. Minus plus. 2 into 13 into 12. That is equal to 12 into 5. 60. 36 minus 5. 31 by 13. Whole thing divided by 65 plus 26 12s. 12 6 are 72. 12 2s 24 plus 7 31 by 60. Okay, na? 12 into 26. 26 12s 72 31. Okay, na? Now, denominator, fractional value, it will be reciprocal. That is equal to 60 into 31 by 13 into, next, 65 plus 312. This is 65. 7 3. 377. 377. Okay, na? So, this is the value. Method is this one. Okay, na? Main concentration on quadrant. Theta does not belongs to, okay, theta does not belongs to second quadrant. Automatic theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Okay, na? Identify the functions and write that value. Next question. One model. Next question. If A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, then sin square A plus sin square B is equal to. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Sin square A plus sin square B is equal to. Okay, I will explain. So what is the given condition? How to simplify? That is the concept. Okay. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. What is the given condition? Since A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, that implies B is equal to 90 minus A. Transfer a to the right side. Plus a right side minus a. Therefore, what is our required value? Sin square a plus sin square b. That is equal to sin square a plus sin square b is equal to 90 minus a. Sin square b is equal to 90 minus a. That is equal to sin square a plus, okay, already explained yesterday. 90 minus theta belongs to first quadrant. First quadrant sign positive. Okay, 90 minus or 90 plus, sign will be changed to cos square a. 90 minus theta or 90 plus theta, sign will be changed to cos will be changed to sin of 90 minus theta, cos theta whole square. Cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This is the identity. Okay na? This is the one point. Next. If a plus b is equal to 180 degrees, then cos a plus cos b is equal to. Next question. One more question. A plus b is equal to 180 degrees, then cos a plus cos b is equal to, this is the our required value. Okay, so in all the cases, convert all functions in terms of same angle. This is a, this is b. Convert b also in terms of a by using given condition. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 180 degrees. That implies b is equal to 180 minus a right side. Therefore, what is our required value? Therefore, cos a plus cos b is equal to cos a as it is. Cos of b is equal to 180 minus a. Cos a plus cos b. B value is equal to 180 minus a. That is equal to cos a. 180 minus theta, second quadrant cos negative. 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant cos negative. Okay, now it will go to cos a. 180 minus or 180 plus, there is no changes in the functions. Okay, 180 minus theta or 180 plus theta, cos no changes, cos only. 180 minus theta, second quadrant cos negative. Cos a gets cancelled is equal to 0. Cos a gets cancelled is equal to 0. Therefore, cos a plus cos b is equal to 0. That is the one concept. Okay, next problem. If a plus b is equal to 270 degrees, then cos square a plus cos square b is equal to. A plus b is equal to 270 degrees, then cos square a plus cos square b is equal to. So in all the cases, convert a value, b value in terms of single function, single value. Then you can apply our known principle. Okay. A plus b is equal to 270 degrees. That implies b is equal to 270 minus a. A plus b is equal to 270. B is equal to 270 minus a. Okay, what is our required value? Cos square a plus cos square b. Cos square a as it is plus cos square b. B is equal to 180 minus 270 minus a. 270 minus a. That is equal to cos square a plus 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta belongs to third quadrant. 270 minus theta, third quadrant cos negative. Third quadrant cos negative minus 270 minus or 270 plus. Cos will be changed to sin A whole square. Okay na? 270 minus A, 270 minus theta belongs to third quadrant. Third quadrant cos negative. Cos will be changed to sin whole square. That is equal to cos square A minus whole square plus sin square A minus whole square plus cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. Okay, finally cos square A plus cos square B is equal to 1 when A plus B is equal to 270 degrees. These are the applications. One more problem. A plus B 90, A plus B 180, A plus B 270, next A plus B 360. One more problem depending on that combination. If A plus B is equal to 360 degrees, then tan A plus tan B is equal to A plus B is equal to 360 degrees. Then tan A plus tan B is equal to, that is our question. Solution. This is in terms of summation. Okay. First, given value, given function, A plus B is equal to 360 degrees. A plus B is equal to 360. So first of all, find the value of B. B is equal to 360 minus A. Plus A right side minus A. Okay, what is our required value? Tan A plus tan B. That is equal to tan A plus tan B. B is equal to 360 minus A. B is equal to 360 minus A. That is equal to tan A. 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant tan negative. That is equal to minus tan A. 360 minus theta or 360 plus theta. Tan no changes. Tan as it is. 360 minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant tan negative. Tan no changes. Therefore, tan A gets cancelled is equal to 0. Therefore, tan A plus tan B is equal to 0 when A plus B is equal to 360 degrees. This is the one concept. Okay na? Next. One more problem. If A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, then sin A into cosecant B, cos A into cosecant B. Okay, then only get the some idea. Cos A into cosecant B. This is the our required value. Okay, A plus B is equal to 90. Then cos A into cosecant B. That is the question. Okay, listen. Same method. So all explained in the case of plus symbol. Now product. Next concept. A plus B is equal to 90. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. That implies B is equal to 90 minus A. B is equal to 90 minus A. Therefore, cos A into cosecant B. Cos A into cosecant B. Cos A into cosecant B. B is equal to 90 minus A. B value is equal to 90 minus A. Cos A into cosecant B. B is equal to 90 minus A. That is equal to cos A into cosecant 90 minus B. 90 minus theta. Second quadrant. Second quadrant cosecant positive. That is very important. Positive plus. Okay. Cosecant 90 minus theta or 90 plus theta. Cosecant will be changed to secant A. Cosecant will be changed to secant. Okay. That is equal to cos A into secant. Secant can be written as 1 by cos A. Cos A cancel is equal to 1. Okay, cos A gets cancelled 1. Okay, now next question. Depending on the product, some values product, depending on the product. I will explain 2-3 questions. If A plus B is equal to 270, then tan A into tan B is equal to, then tan A into tan B is equal to. A plus B is equal to 270. What is our required value? Tan A into tan B. That is our required value. Okay. Now in this case, what is the given condition? A plus B is equal to 270. That implies B is equal to 270 minus A. A plus B is equal to 270. B is equal to 270 minus A. Therefore, what is our required value? Tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B. B is equal to 270 minus A. Tan A into tan B. B is equal to 270 minus A. That is equal to tan A into 270 minus A. 270 minus theta belongs to third quadrant. Third quadrant tan positive. Okay, 270 minus or 270 plus. Tan will be changed to cot A. 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta belongs to third quadrant. Third quadrant tan positive. Okay, 270 minus 270 plus. Tan will be changed to cot. Okay, that is equal to tan A into cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Tan A gets cancelled is equal to 1. This is the concept. Okay, one more problem. Last, depending on the product questions. Depending on the product. Next, if A plus B is equal to 360 degrees, then sin A into cosecant B is equal to sin A into cosecant B. A plus B is equal to 360 degrees. Sin A into cosecant B. That is our required value. Okay, everyone listen. See the question. What is the given condition? A plus B is equal to 360 degrees. A plus B 360. That implies B is equal to 360 minus A right side. Therefore, what is our required value? Sin A into cosecant B. Sin A into cosecant B value 360 minus A. Convert all B values are also in terms of A, or all A values are also in terms of B. We can transfer both in terms of single value. That is the point. Need not to convert all are in terms of A, or need not to convert all are in terms of B. Not necessary. Just we have to convert both are in terms of single value. B is equal to 360 minus A. That is equal to sin A into 360 minus A. 360 minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cosecant negative. Cosecant negative minus cosecant A. Minus cosecant A. 360 minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cosecant negative. 360 minus A or 360 plus A. Cosecant no changes. Minus cosecant A. That is equal to minus sin A into cosecant A. Cosecant can be written as 1 by sin A. Sin A gets cancelled is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, na? Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. That is very important point. Cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. Sin A cancel is equal to minus 1. Okay. Next question. The value of sin 300 degrees into cos 270 degrees into tan 360 degrees into cos cosecant 135 degrees is equal to sin 300 degrees into cos 270 degrees into tan 360 degrees into cosecant 135 degrees. Okay. Sin 300 into cos 270 into tan 360 degrees into cosecant 135 degrees. This is our required value. So convert all the 300, 270, 360, 135 in terms of our known values. Already explained values table. Sin 30, cos 30, tan 30. Okay, all are 30s. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Already explained all these values table. Okay. Convert all these values in terms of our known values. That is the point. How to convert all those values in terms of our known values without changing the value of sin 300. 300 converted as 360 minus 60. That is the one possibility. Or other possibility 270 plus 30. 270 plus 30 300. Or 360 minus 60 300. We can use any transformation into next cos 270. 270 converted as 270 minus 0 or 270 plus 0. 270 minus 0 or 270 plus 0. Both are same. No changes in the value. Into tan of 360. 360 minus 0 or 360 plus 0. We can use anything. Into cosecant 135 degrees. 135 means 180 minus 45 or 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45, 135. 180 minus 45, 135. In both the cases, you will get the same answer. Okay. One by one. 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sign negative minus 360 minus or 360 plus. Okay, sign no changes. Okay, no changes. Because 360 minus theta or 360 plus theta. Fourth quadrant sign negative. First symbol. Next transformation. 360 minus or 360 plus. Sign no changes. Sin 60 into, okay, 270 minus 0. 270 minus 0 belongs to, 270 minus theta belongs to third quadrant. Third quadrant cos negative. Cos negative. Okay. 270 minus or 270 plus. Cos will be changed to sin. Cos will be changed to sin. Sin will be changed to cos. Like that one. Transformation opposite. 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant tan negative. Tan 360 minus theta. Tan no changes. Tan 0. 180 minus theta or 180 minus theta. Cosecant 180 minus theta second quadrant. Second quadrant cosecant positive. 180 minus or 180 plus cosecant no changes. Cosecant 45. First symbol. Next transformation. See here. 360 minus theta. Fourth quadrant sign negative. 360 minus 360 plus sign no changes. 270 minus 0. 270 minus 0. Third quadrant cos negative. Cos will be changed to sin.
360 minus theta, fourth quadrant, tan negative. Tan, no changes. 180 minus theta, second quadrant cos positive. 180 minus or 180 plus, cos no cosecant no changes. Okay.
That is equal to minus minus minus. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Sin 60 degrees, root 3 by 2. Sin 0, 0. Tan 0, 0 into cosecant 45, root 2.
Sin 0, 0, tan 0, 0, cosecant 45, root 2.
That is equal to 0 into anything value is equal to
0. 0 into any value is equal to 0 only. Therefore, finally, that the product of 4 values is equal to 0, 0. Right. Next. Last question in this model. Sin 90 plus theta, find. Sin of 90 plus theta into cosecant 180 minus theta into cos 270 minus theta into tan 360 minus 0 minus theta 360 minus theta. Simplify this value, just a simplification. Okay. Sin of 90 plus theta, cosecant 180 minus theta, cos 270 minus theta, tan 360 minus theta. What is the simplified value? This question. Okay. Now sin of 90 plus theta into cosecant 180 minus theta into cos of 270 minus theta into tan of 360 minus theta. Simplified value. We have to find the simplification. Okay, one by one. 90 plus theta, second quadrant. Second quadrant sign positive. 90 plus or 180 minus second quadrant. Second quadrant sign positive. Sign will be changed to cos theta. 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta, sign will be changed to cos. Okay, 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. Second quadrant, cosecant positive. Cosecant, no changes. Cosecant theta only. 180 minus theta, second quadrant cosecant positive. 180 minus or 180 plus, cosecant, no changes. Okay. 270 minus theta, third quadrant cos negative. 270 minus or 270 plus, cos will be changed to sin theta. Cos will be changed to sin. 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant tan negative. Fourth quadrant tan negative. Tan 360 minus or 360 plus, tan no changes, tan theta. Okay, once again that point I am going to repeat the same concept. 90 plus theta, second quadrant sign positive. Okay, 90 plus or 90 minus, sign will be changed to cos. Second value. 180 minus theta, second quadrant cosecant positive. 180 minus or 180 plus, cosecant no changes. 270 minus theta, third quadrant cos negative. Cos 270 minus theta, 270 minus 270 plus, cos will be changed to sin. First symbol, next changes. 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant tan negative. 360 minus or 360 plus, tan no changes. Okay. That is equal to cos theta into cosecant. Cosecant means 1 by sin theta. Cosecant can be written as 1 by sin. Minus plus sin theta into tan. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. Multiplication sin theta cancel. Cos theta cancel. Finally, what is the simplified function? Sin theta is the simplified function. Okay, na? Tomorrow, I will explain some more remaining concepts, and then I will explain some models, some problems depending on next models. Okay, we'll continue next class.